welcome back to my channel. I'm Christian Allure, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get this dewy radiant look. I've never used like liquid highlighter and mix it with my foundation, but I've seen people do it, so we're going to try and see. I'm going to take my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the color Macao, and this is one of the shades that I'm going to mix. Next I'm going to take the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Moorea. I think that's what it is called, and I'm gonna mix that. So I thought I put my phone on Do Not Disturb, but it doesn't work when you're like on your phone. So the fact that I'm filming right now and everybody is calling me is beyond disrespectful. Stop calling me. Nobody ever called me any other time. I didn't use a primer today, but like I always do, I always start off with like a freshly washed face and my eyebrows on. The next thing that I'm going to do is my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Tahoe. This is what I'm going to use to conceal underneath my eyes. For my concealer, I'm just going to blend it out. I'm not going to overdo a lot of my foundation and concealer because I want a really natural look. To still set underneath my eyes, but I'm not going to use as much powder as I normally do. So I'm just going to go over the rest of my face with the setting powder that I have on there, just to set it. I'm not sure if I want to apply my blush first and then do my bare mineral powder after that, but we're gonna figure this out. This is the Sephora colorful blush, and this is in the shade Oh My Gosh. This is my favorite blush. I don't know why, but it is. Apply some blush on my nose. Next step that I'm gonna do is use one of these bare mineral pressed powders. Which one I'm gonna use, I'm not sure. I find that clove gives me a more bronze look, so that might be the one that I'm gonna use today. That is gonna be the one that I use today. Okay, a little slight. This Becca highlighter is what I'm gonna use to highlight my face, and I'm just gonna pat it on my cheek. I'm also gonna apply this highlighter on my forehead a little, and just like on my eyes. So for my lashes, I'm gonna just be applying this Tart mascara. So Kadea with me right now, everybody.
No, not.
Why is she with me? Because she just uses me for I'm just kidding. For my bottom lashes, I'm gonna take this Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. I like it for my bottom lashes because the brush is small and, you know, it just can get my lashes a lot better. I really want to look like happy, so I'm gonna go back over my blush.
When you're really depressed. I don't look happy.
I'm gonna take this Kardashian Beauty lip gloss, and this is in the shade Honeysuckle, and apply. So I want the middle of my lips to be lighter, so I'm gonna take this Bobbi Brown lipstick and I'm just gonna apply that in the middle. It might be too glossy for my liking, so I'm gonna take a little bit of tissue. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Cool Down workout mist. That's what it says, but I use it as a setting spray and it smells so good. I don't know if I mentioned this, but what I used to mix my Nars foundations with to get this glowy look was the Anastasia Liquid Glow. This is in the shade Peach Fizz. So next I'm going to set my face with the Marc Jacobs Perfecting Coconut Mist, and I don't like this nozzle, so what I did was put it in this Mary Kay bottle, but you don't need a lot because you will look oily. Like, push that setting spray into my skin. That concludes today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos. All of the products that I use on my face will be in the description box.